Alert Forecast with meteorologist Patrick Evans.
Off to a great start for this weather for the work week. Gorgeous out there at the Classic Club. Greens look soft. Folks are enjoying them. And winds backed off nicely. It's calm and it's comfortable. Our temperatures up at 76. That hasn't changed. We've been at 76 since the broadcast started just before noon. We're up to 77 in La Quinta and Indio, 78 in Thermal, creeping up on that 80-degree mark. The temperatures are a little bit warmer than they were yesterday at this hour, and that's kind of a nice hallmark. We're just keeping a track of how much warmer we're going to be over the next couple of days, and we're likely to be nearly 10 degrees above our seasonal averages. Winds were an issue off and on throughout last week. Into the weekend, there was a wind advisory right adjacent to the valley. Right now, we've got winds of 10 miles per hour in La Quinta and 11 in Mecca. Everybody else below that threshold. So we'll go with breezy, light breezes out there. Wind advisory still in effect until 3 o'clock for areas of Los Angeles County and also Ventura County. That should expire on time. These are offshore winds, so they've been very gusty through the passes and canyons off to our west. As those winds get pushed through those narrow canyons, they accelerate. But what we're looking at here is a broad ridge of high pressure, which will continue to provide us with clear skies as it has done today. Just gorgeous out there. And with that, we'll cool off tonight down into the lower 50s. And we're going to keep those nice warm conditions during the day. So that ridge is going to stick around. However, a weak trough developing will come in late Wednesday afternoon, and that will change the weather pattern a little bit moving into the latter part of the week. But for the next couple of days, well above our seasonal averages. That warm air in place will continue. And when the high tends to sit in one place, the temperatures underneath it start to warm up a little bit, and that's exactly what we're going to see over the next couple of days. So we're looking at an 80-degree reading this afternoon. This evening, under clear skies and with calmer winds, we tend to cool off a little bit. This morning, the east end of the valley was down in the 30s. I think we're going to be closer to the upper 30s and low 40s East Valley, and a little warmer than that overnight tonight. For tomorrow morning, it should be fairly mild. Now, looking ahead on your Comfort Air 7-day forecast, we'll be at 83 tomorrow, which is almost 10 degrees above normal, 82 on Wednesday. Breezy conditions late Wednesday into the evening hours. Notice that the overnight lows will be hovering around 50, maybe a little bit warmer than that, particularly West Valley numbers. But by Thursday, we're down to 74. So behind that little breezy front that's coming through, we're going to see the numbers drop off a little bit. And then we'll be hovering in the mid and upper 70s as we head into the weekend. Pretty mild stuff, seasonal numbers kicking off next week. So a lot of good stuff in the forecast. I don't think it's going to be real windy on Wednesday, but it is something we'll pay very close attention to and keep you posted.
Yeah. Nice looking stuff there. Thank you, Patrick. On Wall Street, it's the final quarter hour of the trading day. The